Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another AutoCAD video. As in the previous video, we have actually discussed about array command, rotate command, break and explode command. We have actually executed these commands, and now in this video we are actually going to tell you about two most important commands which are actually scale and align command. So first of all, as I always say, specify your units and limits, and now I am going to start it. These are actually in the modify commands. So for modify, we have actually to draw an object. As I have already drawn my object, as you can see here. Now I am basically using first one, align command. So for align, chart key is AL enter, but as you can see there are two kind of object. What actually align command does, it actually fix the object within a space. For example, this is our space, and if you wanted to fix that object, you can simply do move, and if you wanted to click here, as you can see that there is an extra space. But if you want to do it from align command, it will actually scale your object on the basis of this space, and it will actually fix your new object within this space. So what I'm going to do, I'm using align command here. First I'm going to put it here, and now I'm using to click AL enter for the shortcut key of align. So first of all, I have to select my source subject which I'm gonna align. I'm gonna align this subject. This one is actually my door, and we will actually draw it in the upcoming tutorials that how to draw doors. And this is my boundary line of our, you can say that this is actually a room, and 20 by 15, and we have to draw a road within we have to draw a door within this space. What we're gonna do, we will use align command if this door is not completely within the boundary of this space. So first of all, we're going to click AL and specify first source point. This will be my first source point, and what I'm gonna do, I'm going to want this source, this point to be here, and again the second one is here. I want my this one to be here, and actually if you this one is here and this point will be here, actually your object will be fixed between these two spaces. Now I'm going to click enter. If you don't want to the scale base, this subject will actually not be fixed. Yes, I want the scale base alignment. If I want scale base alignment, as you can see, my object actually it was quite sharded, but it was not fixing in there. But now if I use align command, my object is quite fixed within the spaces, as you can see. So in this way we will use align command in real time in housing when we have to fix actually windows and doors. We will use this command. By align command we will fix it easily, and if you draw it randomly, you have to draw another kind of door. So this is it actually what align command does. So first of all, we are going to know scale command. Actually scale is the ratio between real-time distance and the distance in AutoCAD. We can say that if we want 100 meter on earth, we want it 1 meter on earth, 100 meter on earth. If we want 100 meter on earth, 1 meter in CAD to be 1 meter in CAD, we can use it. We can use scale command if we wanted to do this, execute this. So first of all, I'm going to draw a random line, and I'm turning on my ortho mode. The length of the line will be 50 feet like this. Actually, it has drawn a line of 50 feet from here to here, as you can see. And if you check it, you can check it by dimension linear, as you can see from here to here. Now if you click here, if you wanted to zoom a little bit, actually I have not fixed the unit yet. The units are in decimal, so first I wanted to go and fix my units in dimension. For dimension, opening dimension style manager, click on D, enter. This is actually the shortcut key for dimension style manager, and then go to modify. When you click on modify, first you have to go to units and specify the units as you have specified in your units command. It will be same, and 0 0, and this is okay. And you have to increase that text size a little bit to increase visibility, and symbol and arrows also increase the arrow size, and just click on OK and close. So here is our object. This one is our object, as you can see. Now I am going to click TI enter, and actually it will tell us the dimension, and not it actually you can see the dimension are 50 feet. Now I'm going to click escape. Now I wanted to scale this line. I wanted this line a little bit shorter. SC enter, write down in your notes. This is actually shortcut key for scale. If I'm going to click enter, And now he is asking to specify my base point from where you wanted to scale your drawing, to scale your line. I'm just clicking on here. This will be my base point. Now if I actually, you can see, if I increase, if I drag my mouse like that, it will increase your line, and drag it and drop it where you wanted it to be. But at that time I'm going to click escape, but I have to, no, I have to draw a line. For example, I'm clicking on there, and now your line width has been increased, as you can see. So measure the dimensions. Again, I'm going to measure the dimension from here to here and specify. Actually, this was a line of 50 feet, and now its length is 83 feet. I'm just deleting this. Now you can also do the scale this line. Now you can actually scale this line with some kind of reference. For example, you wanted this 83 feet line to be 100 feet. You actually use reference in your scale command. For example, I am entering SC enter. I'm selecting this subject, and I'm just going to click enter. And now I'm selecting my base point, this one, and now I'm going with the reference. Actually, you can see that this first of all, you will enter the length of this reference line. What was the length of this reference line? It was actually 83 feet. First of all, in reference, if you go in reference, first of all, you have to enter the length of this line, which has already been present there. I'm clicking on 83 feet. I'm just pressing enter, and now what I wanted it to be, I wanted it to be 100 feet. So I'm just pressing my new length as 100 feet. If I press enter, as you can see that my line has actually become 100 feet length. And if you click here and linear dimension, I will measure it from there to there. And if I click there, as you can see that the line width has also been increased. In this way, you can actually scale our rectangular objects and any kind of other objects. You can also go with angular things. First of all, I'm going to just draw a random rectangle like that. And if I measure the length dimension of this rectangle from here, as you can see from here to here, 9 feet 7 inches. For example, I wanted it to be 15 feet. What I'm going to do, I'm going with scale command, SC enter, and selecting my objects and pressing enter again. Now I will select my base point like this one. Now there are two methods. You can also draw it randomly, but now I wanted some reference scale. I will go to reference. This was the length. First of all, you have to enter this length from there to there. 9 feet 7 inches, 9 feet, and press and dash 7 inches, and just press and enter. You will click enter, and now he is asking to specify your new length. I just wanted it to be 15 feet like this one. As you can see, you can measure it from dimension as well. You will go with linear dimension from here to here. As you can see, now it has become 15 feet. Actually, it has not scaled this line. It has actually scaled the whole rectangle on the basis of this length. So in this way, you can scale different kind of objects in your drawings. For example, in case you have imported an object from outwards and you wanted it to be scaled, you can scale it from this command. So that's it for today's video. We have actually covered align and scale command in this, and in the next video actually we are going to tell you trim and accent command. So that's it, and thank you.